Hi there, Sandra here from createinspain. The Siser, Juliet and Romeo have been out for almost 3 years now, and there is still no official pen holder adapter to purchase. You can, if you are in the States, for example, buy one which is metal. But if you're in Europe or the UK, it's going to be an expensive purchase by the time you've coped with import duties and shipping costs and all the rest of it. A couple of years ago, in fact over 2 years ago, I made my own files in Tinkercad and I worked on them for a few days, and what I did was a series of pen holders in different sizes, and these are those. I also made a holder for the holders, if you like, which is like a half circle. I'll put a photograph of that in. So all these have got different internal diameters but the same external diameter. They're made with the slit in so that they will tighten up in the holder, and if you've got a pen which is in between sizes, you should be able to find one that fits. I have got a whole range of pens here that I can use, and there's probably far more than that. This one, for example, goes in here and push it down, and you can see the top coming through here, and then you just put it in the holder as normal and off you go. With some pens you might want to pull it back a bit, simply because the shape of the nibs varies from pen to pen. So what I suggest you do is, when you're using them, first of all, put it in the holder, put the pen in, don't tighten it up, but put the pen in and see whether it's in the right place. You might need to pull it back up a little bit depending on the pen. But if you put this underneath your pen holder, as it were, in the machine, on top of whatever it is that you're drawing on, it will give you the correct distance between that and your surface, so that you're not drawing lines where you don't want them, or you're not skipping lines, okay? It'll give you a nice smooth line. Now, the file that I am giving you in Google Drive is the STL. If you want to get the Tinkercad file, you have to log into Tinkercad. It's being processed at the moment. It's a private file. It's being processed. I don't know how long Tinkercad take to process it, so it will eventually become public, and yeah, you'll be able to pick it up there as well. Now, Tinkercad, for those not familiar with it, is a very simplified version of AutoCAD 3D design, and it's one that I use because I really don't like AutoCAD. I don't do enough 3D designing to learn AutoCAD properly, and Tinkercad is more understandable. It works in the same way that SVG software works, is you have one shape, you have another shape, you add that shape to something or you take it away from something. And so I have left the various components in Tinkercad so that if you want to do a variation on it, you can, as much as I can tell anyway. I also put in a file there for a simple sleeve like this. If you have a very large barrel pen, which isn't quite the size of the holder, or the clamp I should say, but it's almost there, and it isn't possible to make one of these for it, this might allow that larger pen to fit in and allow it to grip in the holder. And I've done some longer ones where I've just done a long tube with no slit and it's hollowed out, and there I've been able to put things like nail dotting tools, which do quite a good job of making crease lines and embossing and that sort of stuff. So it gives you various options, and yeah, you'll be able to use an awful lot of different pens with that. If you like it, please let me know. Please at least give me credit for it if you do make it. Don't pass it off as your own work. And yeah, enjoy being able to use your pens in your cutters, as indeed you should. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.